FarmChem has long sold CenterFlow seed boxes by Buckhorn as the most efficient way to store and transport seed. Now we're excited to share Buckhorn's latest offering, the CenterFlow XL. The CenterFlow XL features the new CenterFlow Extndr, a patent-pending 9-inch extension ring that's inserted into the middle of the seed box to increase seed holding capacity by 17% per box. The Extndr also allows you to optimize your existing box fleet to deliver 50 units of larger seed more consistently. The nest and assembly process will be familiar, as it's the exact same as the regular model. You won't need to worry about return logistics, as you can now optimize shipping space without the cost of additional boxes. The CenterFlow XL box also maximizes warehouse space, as it can be stacked to 4 units high, just like the regular model. The CenterFlow Extndr comes pre-installed on the XL model, or it can be purchased separately to increase storage by 17% in your existing box fleet to the same 50-unit capacity as the XL model. The Extndr also adds an optional secondary branding location to keep your logo in front of your customers. Finally, all new CenterFlow seed boxes come pre-installed with the new CenterFlow Seedscape patented slide gate system, which reduces contamination risk by allowing residual seed to escape. So maximize your seed storage and transport capabilities with Buckhorn's new CenterFlow lineup, available through FarmChem starting in June. To learn more about Buckhorn's CenterFlow lineup, call us at 800-247-1854 or go to shop.farmchem.com.